Mr. Allen here for our final presentation assembly of 2020. This is for December 2020, and as you can see, it's Friday the 18th of December, and we're here for our Year 4 presentation assembly to award all those children in Year 4 who have been working super hard throughout this term in all the different subjects. So really huge congratulations. If it's not you, don't worry. When it comes to the spring term, copy those children, work as hard as them, and who knows, it could be you earning those certificates this term. So we're going huge congratulations to them for all of their hard work and all those children working hard. Obviously, I have my house captains with me. Daniel's going to start off with, we're going to start with our English stars in Year 4. We've got 4 children who've been working super hard throughout this term. Daniel, over to you.
Doreen, Ellie, Claudia and Tyler.
Doreen, Ellie, Claudia and Tyler, you are English stars. You are our English stars for Year 4. Huge congratulations, really well done. Certificates are coming home with you today. Put them in pride of place over Christmas so you can really see them and everyone in your household can celebrate. Well done, keep it up. And over Christmas as well, keep reading, keep writing, keep doing those things because you'll hit the ground running in January and it'll be really beneficial to you and keep your learning, keep your progress going. Well done, all 4 of you. Congratulations. Thank you. Maths stars now. Ella, come and join us, Ella. Ella's here to join us to announce our 4 maths stars who've been working hard on their mathematics mastery. They've been doing their times table rock star. They've been working really hard in their maths. The way they're setting out their maths and all that, it is amazing. Ella, let's find out who they are.
Jake, Jessica, Oliver and Bella.
Jake, Jessica, Oliver and Bella. You superstar mathematicians, well done. It all adds up to me. It certainly does. You absolute geniuses. Well done. And the way you're setting out your maths as well is beautiful. So really well done to all 4 of you. Keep it up. Keep working. Keep doing your times tables over Christmas. Keep doing that. It's simple. If you do that, you know, as I said previously, it'll hit the ground running in January. So really well done. Again, certificates, pride of place, they're coming home today. So really well done. Early Christmas present for you all. Well done. Thank you, Ella. Moving on to our scientists. These children have been working scientifically in Year 4. Let's find out. These 4 children, absolute superstars.
Bentley, Holly, Alex and Jack.
Bentley, Holly, Alex, Jaden and Jack. Well done, you 4. You absolute super scientists. We need more scientists. They're going to help us out with pandemics like this. So keep working scientifically. Keep asking the where, the what, the why and what for. Because actually we do that, it'll be brilliant. You know, it'll make you more scientific, you'll learn more about the world, and that's what we need. We need more scientists in the world, so really well done. Proud of you all. Enjoy your certificates when you get them home tonight. Well done. Thank you. History stars, our historians. Ella's going to come back and tell us our 4 historians from Year 4. They've been working super hard on their history topic this time.
Mason, Noah, Amelia and Sophie.
Mason, Noah, Amelia and Sophie, really well done. Well done, Mason. Mason's just joined us as well, so it's amazing, just in his first half term. Well done, Mason. Brilliant effort, buddy. And all of you, Noah as well, and Sophie and Amelia, working so hard, and you really are working historically. The way you're setting out your work as well is really helpful. Illustrations and various other bits, so really well done, all of you. Enjoy your certificates, put them in pride of place when you get them home. Congratulations, well done. Thank you, buddy. Moving on to our reading stars. Now, with our reading stars, got some reading books. Now, these children have been reading every single day, at least twice a day. I always ask, can we read at least 5 times a week? These Year 4s have been reading every single day, and they get themselves a reading book as well as their certificate, because they'll have something else to read over Christmas. There's one thing you do throughout Christmas, just read every day, please. Because then you'll hit the ground running come January, you will make great progress. So please do try and read every day over the holidays as well. Let's find out who these reading stars are with the Secret 7 book that goes to Cherry. Well done, Cherry. Enjoy your Secret 7 book. And then we're moving on to Sapphire with a Michael Moore Pogo with Farm Boy. Well done, Sapphire, superstar. Coming down there to Ruben. 39-story treehouse. That looks really exciting as well. And our final one goes to Abby Tidman with Michael Moore Pogo, an amazing story of Adolphus Tips. Look at those amazing books. These are yours, guys. Really well done. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations. Keep up the reading. I know you will, because you've got some more books now to read over Christmas. Thank you so much and keep it up. Really well deserved. Congratulations. Moving on now to our house points. The King Cup. Here we go. These children are working so hard in Year 4 and earning themselves. We're going to see in each class the top 3 in each house. multiply the number of house points by 5 and you'll see how many merits these children have earned this term. It is a phenomenal amount. We'll see the top 3 and then we'll see which house is holding onto the trophy for this term. So, in Miss Barrett's in 3rd place we have Bella on 23. 2nd place we've got Eliza on 24, just ahead. And in 1st place, again, Reggie just ahead. Look how close to those 3. Give those 3 a round of applause. Really well done, guys. Fantastic. And again, multiply those by 5 and you'll see how many merits they've got in total. In Mr. Pinner's, we have Alana, 26 house points. In 2nd place, we have Claudia on 27, just ahead. And in 1st place, we have Layla on 28. Again, 26, 1 house point between them. All 3 of them, give them a round of applause. Well done, all 6 of you Year 4s, you absolute superstars. What we do, we take all those numbers, Year 3, 4, 5 and 6, put them all together and we find out who is clinging on to this Keen Cup because it's really close this term, so really well done. And we'll find out. Congratulations goes none other than Holcomb! Big cheer, come on Holcomb, well done. House captain's going to be really pleased to get hold of this. They've got their hands on this. It was Felbrigg at half term, so it's really lovely to see another house. And that's how close it is. There's not even a house point between all 4 houses, so keep it up. Because who knows in the spring term, it could be Blickling, it could be Sandring, it could be Felbrigg again. So look out, but I'm sure Holcomb will try and hold on to it as well. Really well done, Holcomb. Congratulations. A big round of applause for everyone who's earned their merits and house points this term. Because it's all of you, actually. Because there's not a single child in school who's not earned a house point this term. So really, really well done. Moving on, we're on to our attendance league. The Bremner Shield, this is what we've all been working towards. Throughout this term, all the classes have been working towards seeing who gets the Bremner Shield for the best attendance this term. We are finally there, and we have our attendance league completed with all of our 14 classes throughout school just to see where they are. And we're going to see who's holding on to the shield at the end of this term and who we need to congratulate and who those children are. So let's have a little look and a quick run through from 14th place, Miss Barrett. In 13th place, we've got Mr. Pinner. In 12th place, Mr. Ackerman. In 11th, Miss White. In 10th, Miss Arthurton. In 9th, Mr. Davidson. In joint 7th is Miss Musselwhite and Miss Percy. Now, just pause it there, because actually, as you'll see, they're all Key Stage 2 classes. There's not a Key Stage 1 or reception class in amongst it. So that tells you that all 6 classes in the top 6 are either in Year 1, Year 2 or reception. So, I hope you're sitting there, eager anticipation for those classes. Let's find out. In 6th place, Miss Begum, Year 1. In 5th place, Miss Howkins, Year 2, brilliant. In 4th place, Miss Hall, superb. So the top 3, here we go. In 3rd place, Mrs. Cook, well done Mrs. Cook, 3rd place. Fantastic effort there. That's probably your best finish so far with Year 2s. Well done. In 2nd place, Miss Marshall, Year 1. Which, drum roll please everyone. In 1st place, look, Miss Arnold, a reception class. Come on, the first time ever a reception class have held on to the attendance league for a term. That is amazing. All reception Year 1s, Year 2s. This has been an amazing term for those children. Thank you parents, thank you for getting your children in. Well done to, look at that, total class. You absolute superstars. You are the winners of the attendance league. Huge congratulations to you. I'll be bringing this round to your class. You keep that in class throughout next term and hopefully keep it up in the spring term. Really well done. Well done to everyone. Thank you parents for continuing to support us and getting your children to school. This has been the best term attendance for Marcross Primary School we have had. So really well done. Thank you so much. Right, moving on. Obviously we have got our Christmas holidays are upon us. We break up this afternoon at 3:15 and the children are back to school on Monday the 4th of January and as you can see gates will be open at 8:30. My final message, thank you parents for all of your support throughout this term. We could not have got through this term without it. We really could not. I am constantly asking you all to stay home, protect Marcross, help keep school open. I'm still sending that message over and out at Christmas, please. It's really important. COVID hasn't gone away. It's still with us. Yes, we do want to visit our loved ones and our families. Please be careful over this period and this time. These are the times where I want to get back in January. We can continue being open, staying fully open and looking out for the whole community of Marcross. So please, let's keep this concerted effort. We've got to today by doing that, by all keeping safe. So thank you all so much, because in the long run, it will benefit your children. Your children are loving coming to school. They're making progress. They're earning themselves certificates. So please, let's keep it up. Have a safe Christmas holiday, and until January 2021, see you all soon. Bye-bye now.